Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all well at your home. So, today we are going to start chapter number 1 Tom Whitewashes a Fence, part 2. In last lecture, we have done first 2 pages of chapter number 1. Now, we are going to continue with chapters another part. So, in last chapter, we had seen that when Tom was whitewashing a fence, Ben, one of his friends, had come over there and started making fun of him. But Tom was having an idea to get rid of the work. Okay, so that's why Tom, what had pretended in the last we had already seen, he was showing that he was very much busy in his work, he was enjoying his work. So we'll see what will happen next. Do you mean to say, Tom, that you like it? Ben Rogers had asked the question, कि do you mean to say that, कि do you like this work? कि whitewashing a fence, do you like this work? The brush continued to move. Again, Tom had not given any attention to him, and he was his brush was going on, moving on. Like it? Said Tom. So again, Tom had asked him, like it? Just because Tom was pretending that he was liking it so much. So he asked, well, I don't see why should not like it. Why should I not like it? Just because it is a very interesting work, why should I not like it? Okay, so he was just pretending that it's a very interesting work. So do a boy nextly he asked, do a boy get a chance to whitewash a fence every day? Ki boys are not getting, or boys usually not gets a chance to whitewash a fence. I have got this chance, that's why I am enjoying. He was showing like that. His meaning was that. So next, that put the thing in a new light just because it was Tom's plan. That's why this thing had put the thing in a new light. We will see how. Ben stopped eating an apple when he had told him that boy is not getting chance every day to whitewash a fence. So Ben stopped eating an apple. He was so much curious what kind of work it is. He stopped eating his apple. But Tom swept his brush back forth softly like an artist. Again, Tom was sweeping his brush like an artist. He stopped back to note the effect. He stepped back. He had stepped back to see what was the reaction of the Ben after listening his answer. He added a touch here. Again, he started doing his work here and there and criticized the effect and started evaluating his work. Okay, just like an artist, he started evaluating his work. Ben watched every movement. Ben was watching every movement. How is he enjoying? And got more and more interested. And he was getting more and more interested to do his work, to whitewash the fence. Presently, he said, Tom, let me whitewash a little. So after that, he asked Tom, let me whitewash a little. So what will be the Tom's answer? Tom was about to consent. Tom was going to agree with it. Consent means agree, you can say. But he changed his mind. After that, he changed his mind and he had refused him. But after that, he had changed his mind and he had refused it. No, you see, Aunt Polly is very particular about his work. So he said that no. I cannot give you, just because Aunt Polly is very particular about his work, okay, about his fence. That's why I cannot give it to you. He was pretending like that. Particular means careful, okay. She is very careful about his work, so that's why I cannot give it to you. It must be done very carefully. He said that it should be done very carefully. I don't suppose there is one boy in 1,000, maybe 2,000 who can do it in the right way. So again he added the thing that I think from thousands boys or from 2,000 boys from one boy only can be able to do this work. I am the only one, I am the special one that who can do this work, okay. Like this he was making him more curious, okay, making Ben more curious. Is that so? So he said that is this so? Is it a reality? Let me just try. So again Ben told him, let me just try to whitewash, only just a while, little. I would let you if you were me, Tom. He said that if I will be in the place of you, I would definitely give it to whitewash a little. Ben told him like that, okay. Next, now Tom, in this picture we can see that Tom was observing his reaction. Tom was observing Ben's reaction. So after that, one by one every boy will come over there and Tom will enjoy sitting idle or free, you can say. Ben, I would like to honestly, but Aunt Polly would not like it. He said that I just want to give, you are my friend, so that's why I want to give it to you to do the work, but Aunt Polly would not allow it. Okay? Aunt Polly would not allow it. Aunt Polly would not like it. Jim wanted to do it, but she would not let him. He said that Jim also wanted to whitewash a fence, but she had not given this work to him. He had given this work to me only. Okay. Sid wanted to do. Again, he had given example. Sid also wanted to do, but she would not let Sid. But she had not given to the Sid. You see, this fence is the front fence. He said that. You see that it's the front part of the fence, and Aunt Polly is very particular about it. Aunt Polly is very careful about it. Now, don't you see how I am caught? He said that you can see that I am caught. I am helpless to do such a thing. Helpless to give you a task of whitewashing the fence. If you were to try whitewashing the fence, anything went wrong. He said that if you will try this and anything went wrong, so what will happen? Aunt Polly will be angry. So he had given example. After that, oh Tom, I will be very careful. So he said that, Tom, I will be very careful. Now let me try. I will give you half of my apple. He said that I will give you half of my apple if you will give it to me. Well, no, Ben, I can't let you. He said that, no, I am afraid I cannot give it to you. So, I will give you all of it. He said that I will give you full apple. Tom gave up the brush. So, after that, Tom gave up the brush, pretending to do so half-heartedly. Means he was showing that he did not want to give it to him. Okay. Ben worked and sweated in the sun. So Ben started doing the whitewash and sweating in the sun, and retired artist means Tom, who was just enjoying and sat on the barrel, a wooden drum. He was sitting on the wooden drum, swinging his legs. He was swinging his legs, eating the apple the man had given to him, laying another plots means plans to take in another boys. To take in another boys. See how his work will be done with the help of other boys. Okay. So next, boys came along every little while. So boys started coming over there within some time. They came over there to laugh at him, but remained to whitewash, just because Tom was having a good plan. That's why he had made his work done by others. By the time Ben was tired after that. Ben was tired, and Tom had promised the next chance to Billy Fisher for a kite. So another chance he had promised to the Billy Fisher, one of his friends, just because Billy Fisher had given him a kite. When Billy Fisher retired, after that Billy Fisher had done his work, Johnny Miller bought the next chance for a dead rat. He had given him a dead rat, string to swing it with, and a string is also given to him. He had, in addition to the things mentioned above, so again he had, in addition to the things the mentioned above paragraph, so 12 marbles. So he was having how many things? 12 marbles. First of all, apple he had got. After that, kite. After that, red rat. And now 12 marbles, a piece of blue bottle glass to look through, a key that would unlock anything, a master key he had got. After that, a piece of chalk, a tin soldier, 6 firecrackers, a little cat with only one eye, or a dog collar, the handle of a knife, a number of other things Tom had got from his friends. While others bore his burden for him, just because Tom had shown that it is an interesting work, that's why all the persons had bore the burden of Tom and also given him his possessions, given him the things. He had a nice idle time, means to say he was having a good time, good free time. Idle means free time, all the while, and plenty of company, and so many so many boys were there, and he had also got the company. Okay, so next, the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. So Tom had got 3 coats of whitewash on the fence. It was just magnificent. It was so remarkable thing that without doing anything, he had got 3 coats of whitewash from his friends, and also got the possessions, so many things from his friends. So if he had not run out of whitewash, he would have robbed everybody in the village. So in this paragraph, they had told that if Tom would not go out of there from whitewash, he can get so many other things from the other village boys also. Okay. So Tom said to himself that life was beautiful after all. So now the Tom was happy. So that's why he told to himself that life was beautiful after all. After all the things I have got, that life is so much beautiful. And he had discovered a great law of human action without knowing it. And he had discovered the great law of human action that in order to make or man or a boy desire a thing, it is only necessary to make the thing difficult to obtain. Means to say that ki if somebody desires or somebody needs something badly, so make it more difficult to obtain, make it more difficult to get that thing, so he will be more curious. Like that Tom had also done with his friend when they were saying that ki give him a little, do the whitewash hai na. So he was not agree with that, so that's why they were more and more curious ki it is a very interesting work. Okay, so this law of human action Tom had discovered. Tom was happy with the possessions that had come into his hands. Tom was very much happy. That's why so many things he had got from his friends. Then got up. After that, Tom got up and walked home to the Aunt Polly. So just because he had to inform to the Aunt Polly about the whitewash, so that's why he had gone to home. It's all done, Aunt. So he told Aunt Polly that, Aunt, all the things I have done. The whole fence, she said to her. He said that the whole fence I have done. Tom, I hate your lies. The Aunt Polly marched out to see for herself. Aunt Polly said to him that, Tom, I hate your lies. It's not possible that you have done all the work. So that's why she had gone to see the fence by herself. Oh, Tom, he said in surprise. She was so much surprised when she had seen the fence. You can work when you want to. She said that you can do anything if you want to do, but only hardly ever want to. But you hardly, for in rare cases only, you want to do some work. She took him home. After that, she had taken him home and gave him the best apple she had, and she had provided him, she had given to him the best apple she was having, and allowed him to go and play, and she had allowed Tom to go and play with his friends. So thank you so much. If you will have any doubt, we will clear all the doubts in the Zoom class. Thank you so much.